This 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 27DBX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 8, microwave, awning, leveling jacks, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, water heater, skylight, LP detector, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 27DBX is 6,924 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.